Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of honeybirds and bees. Two incredibly important creatures that also happen to be fierce rivals. Honeybirds, those clever little fellas, have an insatiable craving for the honey and beeswax produced by bees. So, they've developed some pretty impressive skills to raid those buzzing hives. But bees, being the protected guardians of their sweet nectar, are not about to let any intruders waltz in and steal their precious loot. Now, you might be wondering, why do honeybirds and bees go to such lengths to get their hands on that honey? Well, for honeybirds, it's a matter of survival. That sweet nectar is a crucial source of food, and they'll go to great lengths to get it. For bees, it's about protecting their home and their livelihood. Honey is not just a tasty treat. It's the fuel that keeps their entire colony going. But the conflict between honeybirds and bees doesn't just stop at food. These two creatures also clash over territory. Honeybirds need a safe place to nest and raise their young, just like bees. And when their nesting grounds overlap, things can get pretty heated. But despite their rivalry, there's a surprising side to their relationship. Honeybirds have actually been observed following bees to flower sources, where they can enjoy the nectar without having to raid a hive. It's like they've called a temporary truce, both parties enjoying the sweet bounty of nature. So, the next time you see a honeybird circling around a beehive, remember that there's more to this story than meets the eye. These two creatures are locked in a complex dance of competition and cooperation, each playing a vital role in the delicate balance of our ecosystem.